In this video we discuss the features of Open Data File, the data management component of Ranger. When Ranger is activated, the Open Data File dialog appears. This dialog is used to manage your workbooks. The buttons on the right side of the screen control the options available to you. When you leave Ranger, you will see the Open Data File dialog again. Set Enable Macros and allow trusted locations on the Trust Center panel of Microsoft Excel before opening a file. If you use a virus scanner, add this application to the trusted list. Open Excel. At the top left of the screen, left-click on File. Select Options. Select Trust Center. Click Trust Center Settings. Select Macro Settings. Click on these settings and click OK. Macro Settings, enable all macros. Developer Macro Settings, trust access to the VBA project model. Click on the Help button to see a brief explanation of what each button does. New. Create and name a file. The original Ranger workbook is hidden and unavailable. A user will always be working with a copy of the original workbook. Clicking on the New button will cause a dialog box to appear. Enter in this box the preferred name for the new workbook and left-click OK. Note: a workbook name must be at least 3 characters long. For purposes of naming a workbook, upper and lower case letters are considered the same, e.g. AAA equals AAA. Clone: name a cloned copy of selected file. Use the clone option if you want to use an existing workbook as your starting point. Clicking on the clone button will cause a dialog box to appear. Enter in this box the preferred name for the copy of the original workbook and left-click OK. Note: a workbook name must be at least 3 characters long. For purposes of naming a workbook, upper and lower case letters are considered the same, e.g. AAA equals AAA. After creation of the new workbook and creation of the clone, the top of the Open Data File screen should look like this. Ranger provides a folders feature that allows you to organize your workbooks. Note that the new workbook and its clone were stored in folder 1 by default. Folders will be explained further. Rename: rename selected file. After a workbook has been established, you may wish to change its name. Left-click the workbook that is to be renamed. A dialog box will appear. Enter the new workbook name and click OK. Note: a workbook name must be at least 3 characters long. For purposes of naming a workbook, upper and lower case letters are considered the same, e.g. AAA equals AAA. After rename of the workbook, the Open Data File screen should look like this. Delete: delete selected file. To delete a workbook, select it from the list using left-click. A confirmation dialog will appear. To confirm the deletion, click Yes. To cancel the deletion, click No. After the delete, the Open Data File screen should look like this. Note: once the workbook has been deleted, it cannot be recovered. Export: export selected file to share it with another computer. Export is used to store a selected file in a location other than your standard location. Use left-click to select the workbook to be exported. That will activate the Export button. Left-click the Export button. You will be presented with the usual dialog that allows you to choose the location to which the file is to be exported. In this example, the workbook was exported with a name of Export My Workbook Number 1. Note: an exported workbook is stored in encrypted format, with an extension of .xlsc. This exported workbook can be used only within the Ranger environment. It cannot be read directly by Excel. Import: import selected file from another computer. Import is used to retrieve a selected file from a location other than your standard location. Left-click the Import button. You will be presented with the usual dialog that allows you to choose the location of the file to be imported. Double-click on the file name to import it. You will be presented with a dialog box where the name of the imported workbook can be entered. The name entered in the dialog box may not exist in your standard location already. Note: import works only with workbooks encrypted by Ranger and exported. They must have an extension of .xlsc. Note: when you import a workbook, a copy is saved in your standard location. You will then work with that copy, leaving the original workbook untouched. Folders: edit a list of folder names to organize your files. Folder names must be at least 3 characters. When Ranger is first activated, 3 folders are automatically established. Each workbook subsequently created is stored in a folder. Left-click on the Folders button to display the list of available folders. When the Folders dialog is active, you have the following options. New. Establish a new folder. Rename. Change the name of an existing folder. Delete. Delete an existing folder. If you select for deletion a folder that contains workbooks, you will see a confirmation dialog. Click Yes to confirm the deletion of the folder and its contents. Click No to cancel the deletion. To shift the display of workbooks from one folder to another, left-click on the drop-down box at the top of the Open Data File window. Move the selected file into the specified folder. To move a workbook from one folder to another, click the Move button. A dialog will appear, on which you select the target location. Sort: select name to sort file names alphabetically or choose date to sort them by creation date. If you have a large number of workbooks in a single folder, you can use the sort option to sort them. Click on Name to sort alphabetically. Note: for purposes of sorting, uppercase and lowercase letters are not considered the same, e.g. AAA is not the same as AAA. Date to sort by date of workbook creation. Search: type search text to match in file name list. The contents of the search box are used by the Find button. Find next file name in list matching the search text. Searches only visible folder. Case sensitive. Click the Find button to search the list of workbooks in the folder that is currently visible. The search is case sensitive. Help: present this help screen. Click the Help to view useful documentation. Open the selected file or simply double-click on the file name. Click the Open button to open the selected file. Alternatively, double-click on the file name. Quit this application.